Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today we're talking about a tiny coin that has created a huge buzz online, the 2001 Netherlands €5 coin. Some websites and viral videos claim that this small copper coin could be worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. But here's the big question. Is the 2001 Netherlands 5-cent coin really worth $456 million? Or is this just another internet myth? In this video, we will explore the history of this coin, its design and specifications, the mintage numbers, rare error varieties, and the real market value collectors are paying. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you how to check if your coin might actually be valuable. The €5 coin is part of the euro currency system, which was officially introduced in 2002 for physical circulation across Europe. The Netherlands began minting euro coins earlier, including the 2001 issue. These coins were produced at the Royal Dutch Mint in Utrecht. The 2001 coin features the portrait of Beatrix, who served as Queen of the Netherlands from 1980 to 2013. During this period, millions of euro coins were minted to prepare for the new currency system. The 2001 Dutch 5-cent coin became part of everyday circulation throughout Europe. But many collectors started asking, could this ordinary coin actually be rare? Let's take a closer look at the coin. Obverse. Front. The front of the coin features the portrait of Queen Beatrix. The inscription, Beatrix Koningin der Nederlanden. A ring of 12 stars representing the European Union. Reverse. Back. The reverse design is common for euro coins and includes the number 5, the words euro cent, a globe showing Europe, lines representing the European Union. Technical specifications. Here are the official details. Material, copper-plated steel. Weight, 3.92 grams. Diameter, 21.25 millimeters. Edge, smooth. These specifications were standard for all euro 5-cent coins. One of the most important factors in coin value is how many were produced. For the 2001 Netherlands 5-cent coin, the mintage was extremely high. Approximately 205.9 million coins were minted. When a coin has a production number in the hundreds of millions, it usually means the coin is very common. That means most of these coins are still worth only their face value of 5 euro cents. But collectors are always looking for special versions. Even common coins can sometimes become valuable if they have minting errors. Special proof versions, extremely high-grade condition. Some possible valuable versions include keycap 1 proof coins. A limited number of proof coins were made for collectors. Proof coins have mirror-like surfaces, extremely sharp details, special packaging. Only about 16,500 proof coins were produced. These can sometimes sell for several dollars or more depending on condition. Keycap 2 mint errors. Rare mint errors can increase value dramatically. Examples include off-center strikes, double die errors, clipped planchets, wrong metal errors. If such an error exists, collectors may pay hundreds of dollars. Keycap 3 perfect condition coins. Coins graded MS67 or higher by professional grading companies can also be more valuable. High-grade coins are extremely rare because most coins were used in circulation. Now let's talk about the real value. For most coins, circulated coins, 5 cents to 10 cents. Uncirculated coins, about 6 cents or slightly more. Some collector listings have sold similar coins for around $5 to $6 when in special condition. So where did the $456 million rumor come from? In many cases, these claims come from clickbait videos, misinterpreted auction listings, or confusion with extremely rare error coins. As of today, there is no verified sale anywhere near millions of dollars for this coin. How to check if your coin is rare? Here are a few simple steps to check your coin. Step 1. Look at the year. Make sure it says 2001. Step 2. Check for errors. Look carefully for misaligned designs, double lettering, off-center images. Step 3. Check the condition. Coins without scratches or wear are more valuable. Step 4. Get professional grading. Companies like PCGS or NGC can evaluate your coin's real value. Conclusion. So, is the 2001 Netherlands €5 coin worth $456 million? The honest answer is no. Most of these coins are very common and worth only a few cents. However, if you happen to find a rare mint error, a proof version, or an extremely high-grade coin, it could still be worth much more than face value. And that's the exciting part of coin collecting. Sometimes a tiny coin hiding in your pocket could still surprise you. If you enjoyed this video and love discovering rare coins, like the video, comment your rare coin finds, and subscribe to Old Coin Vault for more coin value secrets. And remember, always check your change, because history might be hiding in your pocket.